Hey, good morning. My name is Petr Bártek'ten. I'm the application engineer working for the HP, and let me show you some of the applications we have from the auto industry. So over here behind my back, you can see the Zeppelin. It's a race buggy for the Dakar race, and as you can see, we're printing approximately 150 parts to this car. It's not a prototype, so all of them are the final parts. You can see some air ducts over here on the top, the headlamps, and some other minor features or bigger features like the battery covers and those kind of things. So all of them are final parts assembled directly in the car, performing the race. So we are not talking about the prototypes here. And from the other side, let's take a look from the other side.
Did you fly?
So this is the second application we are showing today. It's final parts from Renault, and it's a branded Renault accessory. So this is the way where the automotive is going recently, and customizing your car according to your wishes, according to your specifications or preferences. This is the trend of the nowadays where the automotive is going. So let's forget about the additive manufacturing to be only suitable for the prototyping or some low volume production. We are really aiming for the final parts production. We are aiming for, let's say, customization or some other final parts which are going to be assembled directly in the car. So let's leave the prototyping behind and just be focused on the final parts. Thank you.